Good morning. Today we're going to start our new lesson, Inspired by Nature. To look into that concept, first today we're going to read a poem called Ode to an Enchanted Light by Pablo Neruda. Once we've taken a look at that poem, we are going to explore the concept of beauty. What do you think beauty is? What do you think beauty is not? And then we're going to make some generalizations so that we can discuss and explore what we think the true idea of beauty is. Ode to Enchanted Light by Pablo Neruda. Under the trees light has dropped from the top of the sky, light like a green latticework of branches, shining on every leaf, drifting down like clean white sand. A cicada sends its sawing song high into the empty air. The world is a glass overflowing with water. Okay, now we are going to look individually into the concept of beauty. So when we look at it, we're going to break it down into the 4 different steps. The first step, the first thing you need to do is try to think of at least 20 things that you think represent beauty. Now, keep in mind, we're not talking about specific people here, so I don't want you to make a list of people that you think are beautiful, but more of ideas that you think are beautiful. So try to go through and come up with 20 different things. Once you make that list, you are going to go to step 2. And what you're going to do in step 2, and honestly, this is going to be the hardest step. You are going to take those items from step number 1, the items from your list that you thought were beautiful, and you're going to put them into categories. So you would put the categories right up here, and then all of the things from your list from step 1, you are going to put right underneath this. This is just like we did with our previous concept lesson over Unit 1. So that's step 2. Step 3. You are going to try to list 5 things that represent the opposite of beauty. So things that are not beautiful. And once again, we're not focusing on people here. We're focusing on ideas, like things that aren't beautiful. Try to come up with 5. Then the last and final step are generalizations. And you're going to try to write 3 generalizations. And generalizations are things that are always true about the concept. So as you can see on here, all 3 of our generalizations are going to start with our concept of beauty. And then you're just going to finish that sentence. So 3 ideas about beauty that are always true. We will refer back to these generalizations throughout the unit to see if they stand true and to see if we think we got it right. Now that we've had a chance to explore the idea of beauty with our generalizations, we're going to keep going back to them. Do they hold up as we read the different selections in this unit?